Anuba Bhosle is joining us at the moment from Srinagar, where she is at the moment. Anuba, is Srinagar now under curfew?
Yes, I think there is now a complete clampdown of curfew in Srinagar, in Baramulla, in Anantnag. Barricades that you saw in 2010 during that stone pelting are out on the streets. Remember, the last 1.5 years have been relatively peaceful, but there is a complete clampdown here. Security officials are out, the police is out, people are not being allowed to venture out into any of the market areas. Nothing really has opened. So Srinagar has truly woken up and understood the implications of this particular news. You've been pointing out, Raj, as to how the state government really has been kept in the loop on this very, very sensitive matter. But once we do start venturing out, getting you political reactions, I'm afraid some of the reactions that you're going to see here from the valley are going to be extremely polarized. On one particular implication, that of the security, we have to remember that here in Jammu and Kashmir, there are many, many stakeholders to the aftermath of this decision. There are stakeholders that are political, but also there are stakeholders of the army, the paramilitary forces, the police as well. I have been in touch with some of my sources in the 15 Corps, and yes, while they were not aware of the news early in the morning when we started speculating about this particular information, they did say they were on complete standby. I've also been in touch with some of the police officials. Some of them were really unaware. High-ranking police officials were not in Srinagar at the point in time, but have all now made their way back. So in a sense, while the establishment, while the political establishment was very well aware perhaps of this decision and was kept in the loop, Srinagar now is completely on their feet, trying to tackle what would be certainly a possible aftermath. You can't see it now, but a heavy police posse just entered on this particular street, and there are really similar scenes that we are seeing from all over Srinagar. We do believe some of the relatives of Afzal Guru belong to Sopore, and that particular area is seeing a very stepped up security just not too far away from here. So that in a sense, roughly, Rajdeep, is the landscape currently at this particular hour, once the news has now been known by most.